Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today, we are not here to learn a hadith or listen to a story from Quran. We are here to stand in solidarity with our fellow brothers and sisters of Palestine. We deeply empathize with the ongoing situation in Gaza, which has been a source of profound sadness to all of us. Our hearts go out to all those affected. Allah in Holy Quran told us in Surah Nisa, Ayah 135, O believers, stand firm for justice as witnesses for Allah, even if it is against yourselves, your parents, or close relatives. Be they rich or poor, Allah is best to ensure their interests. So do not let your desires cause you to deviate from justice. If you distort the testimony or refuse to give it, then know that Allah is certainly all aware of what you do. In this ayah, Allah tells us stand for justice, even if the wrongdoers are ourselves, our parents, or any of our loved ones. We understand that many of us are experiencing a sense of helplessness in the face of the challenges our fellow brothers and sisters are enduring. What we can do is offer numerous salah to seek blessings and guidance from Allah for our brothers and sisters in these tough times. Please, 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 make a lot of a dua for all the brothers and sisters who are suffering. Allah is our only protector, and He is the best of helpers. Furthermore, it's essential not to overlook the importance of raising awareness about the ongoing situation. It's crucial to remember that on the Day of Judgment, each of us will be held accountable before Allah and must provide justification for our actions in support of our fellow Palestinian brothers and sisters. As a united ummah, let us come together in prayer to implore Allah for the relief of our brothers and sisters from their suffering and the bestowal of their freedom. Inshallah.
We stand with Palestine. Free Palestine!
Please subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids. For more videos, hit the bell icon now.